Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know whether there is a feature for budgeting or expenses tracking on MBNA app. Now while specific features may vary depending on the version of MBNA app that you're using, so MBNA typically offers a tool for features to help user with budgeting and expenses tracking. Here's how you can find it. So for that you have to first of all go and log in into your account. Now many banking including the MBNA mobile app provide spending insight or analysis tool to categorize your transaction in different spending categories like groceries, dining, entertainment, or something else. And the app may automatically categorize your transaction based on their type or merchant, or allow you to manually categorize them. This may help you to see how much you're spending in each category and identify area where you can back or adjust your budget. Likewise, some version of MBNA mobile app may offer budgeting settings tool that allows you to set spending limit for different categories or overall monthly spending target. The app may then track your progress towards these budgeting goals and alert you if you're nearing or exceeding your limits. Likewise, you may be able to set up the alert or notification to receive update or your spending budget progress or when you've reached certain threshold. You can also access your transaction history within the app that allows you to review past expenses, track patterns, and identify areas where you can make adjustment to your spending habits. And exporting data or graphic visualizations are also some of the features that helps for budgeting or expenses tracking on MBNA mobile banking app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.